At ang mga milestone bonus, new sales bonus, yun yung makakatulong. Okay? And of course, the weekly commission. Now, as a leader, no, if you continue to share the power of duplication, nakita nyo in the past week, no, 'di ba, in-announce natin yung mga promotion and nandun din yung very important system which is the power of duplication, the power of 200 CP. Okay, so a lot of people may say, "Ay ma'am, bakit ang bagal?" No, wala na po kaming pam-push ng 3BC or dun sa mga iba no na hindi pa sanay, wala na yung take one sell one pack yung 100 points, no. So, it's very important to note no that we really would want to build your business solid, okay, and to do that no we have to adapt the right behavior. Okay, so alam naman natin no na mabilis talaga pag may 3BC ka, 500 points, mabilis yan talaga na nakasetup na lang yung 100 points, diba, every week or every 4 weeks. Pero ang tanong, did that made your business grow? No, yung mga taong na-enroll ba natin na 3BC ay nandito pa rin sa atin, no? Or yung mga nag 500 points, yung 2 months na halos walang auto order, 'di ba? Or yung 2 months na napakaraming produkto. Are this the people that we are working with today? Kasi chances are hindi na, no? And that's why nahihirapan tayo mag-build ng solid organization. So some of you might not be experiencing the full benefit of the USANA business. No, hindi kayo nakakapag-leadership bonus. Why? Because hindi solid yung mga business centers. Kaya hindi ko rin 'to nilagay 'no, hindi namin 'to nilagay sa online 'no. But reality 'no, since you are all leaders here, we assume that you are all gold directors and above or even silver directors, is that dapat yung ating pagbi-build, we should have a solid business center 'no. Take it from the example of physical store, 'di ba? Ang mga branches, kunwari example, may mga branch ka ng restaurant 'no, hindi ka naman magbubukas ng another restaurant if yung business mo ay hindi kumikita. Gets nyo? 'Di ba? So, kailangan, no, before you move to another business center, before you develop another leader, dapat solid na, no, yung line. And how to do that? Of course, it has to be duplicable. No, hindi naman lahat may pang pay in ng 500 points. Okay? Hindi lahat, no, ay um, kaya, 'di ba, na mag-sponsor agad-agad, no? So we make sure, 'di ba, na yung ating system is duplicable by subscribing to the 200 points. Na kapag yung 200 points na yan, which is a few products lang, 'di ba, napa-pay in mo yan at sila na-dispose sila, nainom nila, mawawalan na yan ng products in a month, they will experience the immediate victory. And masasabi nila na, oh, madali lang pala, no, na mag-start sa sana. Ako nga, naubos ko kaagad yung products ko. No, konting tao lang yung na-sharean ko. And yet, no, I have the opportunity to earn at least $2,000 for my next 13 weeks. No, so ganun yung mindset na gusto nating ipakita sa lahat. And we know that once we get to a solid business, doon natin may experience lahat, no? Leadership bonus, kahit magpahinga ka diyan, 'di ba? So hindi ka kailangan na every week kailangan may bago kang bebentahan or she-sharean ng products kasi you know you have done the hard work, 'di ba? And right now is the time for us to really understand more benefits no of the USANA compensation plan. As a leader, dapat hindi mo pinapakawalan the opportunity for you to earn the leadership bonus. And yun yung ating di-discuss tonight. No? So before we dive into the leadership bonus, no, we have to learn the generations. Okay, so for some of us, hindi na bago yung generations kasi we had already promotion, no, yung 3-gen promotion. So this is where we discuss the lead, no? So, syempre, hindi na to para sa mga bago. Kasi para sa mga bago, new sales bonus, milestone bonus, pampakapal yan ng organization. Okay? And kailangan may mga napapa-earn tayo at early stage of their USANA business so that they stay. And hindi tayo nagre-rebuild. Okay? Hindi rin tayo basta lang nag-PPPS, hindi lang tayo basta nagpe-pay setter pala, ng after no nawawala. Okay? Kasi we know that we hit the certain milestone and we are hitting the right behavior, no? Every time there's a new brand partner. Now, yung base commission is of course the heart and soul of the Usana business. 'Di ba? So kailangan yung power of duplication mo, hindi ka lang basta nag-share ng products, kailangan nag-i-sponsor ka. Nagbi-build ka ng organization and you are really looking for leaders and not just points. Once we have reached, no, that maximum potential of our business center, dun mo mararamdaman that you are already earning the leadership bonus, no? And how to do that? Of course, syempre, yun yung ating effective measurement of leadership, no? You're not just here because you are a gold director, okay? You're not just here because you're a diamond director or you have a rank in USANA. No, the true measure of success, if you have built a solid generation, no? Na hindi ka kailangan mag-rebuild right after a run, no? Right after even pace setter, 'di ba? And that you have duplicated or uh, may duplication na naganap dun sa line mo. So, gone are the days, no, na I'm sure yung mga iba familiar, 'di ba, yung just to get pay in, 'di ba? Ay, tutulungan ko na yung kabilang leg mo, no? Ipapa-sponsor ko na 'to sa'yo para mag-PPPS ka na. Okay, wala na sanang gano'n kasi hindi yun effective. Okay, because right now ang labanan kailangan yung direct sponsor mo, no, sa'yo, 'di ba? For you to benefit from the um leadership bonus. And sa totoong buhay, ikaw naman talaga yung kakilala niyan. No? Hindi mo tinutulungan actually yung bago mong brand partner if you are going to place or you are going to do their sponsoring for them. No? As a leader, as a sponsor, as much as you want no for them to be successful, hindi mo pwedeng i-shortcut yung kanilang success. No, all you need to do is to guide them and to show them the ropes, but definitely sila dapat yung magde-direct sponsor on their own. Now again, this is a business. Hindi ka namimigay ng direct sponsor. So at the end of the day, no, ikaw pa rin yung sarili mong direct sponsor, it will also matter if you are a USANA leader. So that will measure your success. Ito yung ating generation. So when we say first generation, lahat nung yung mga na personally sponsored brand partner mo. Okay? In the lifetime of your USANA business. For those of you who are with us since 2009, 'di ba? Importante, no? Kung meron ka pang buhay na direct sponsor, ikaw yung nakapangalan sa application form na direct sponsor, importante na balikan natin yon. No, if they are still active, if they are still purchasing, if they're still warm, 'di ba? Let's all go back and follow up with them and work with them, no? Because in leadership bonus, importante 'yan. No, your first generation because that will determine your generations, okay? The second generation na tinatawag natin is yung direct ng direct mo. Okay, so ibig sabihin, kunwari si Aljon, direct sponsor ko, si Aljon kapag ka-sponsoran niya si Ate Windy, second generation ko yon. Okay? Now, si Ate Windy, kapag ka direct sponsor, let's say si Jeril, okay? Siya naman ngayon yung aking third generation. So, sa leadership bonus, tandaan niyo hanggang third generation yung binibilang natin. Okay? So, I'm sure kabisado niyo na to. Yung blue dito is yung upline placement. Yan. So, kahit na yung position is ikaw, kunwari, ang nakaposisyon ako, tapos si Aljon and si Ate Windy. So, ang generation ko lang, ang first generation ko lang, si Aljon. Okay? So, si Ate Windy ay second generation ko na. Hindi ibig sabihin first generation ni Aljon si Ate Windy kahit nasa ilalim siya ni Aljon. Okay? So, yan. Now, malinaw ba yung ating generations, no? Hindi tayo nagko-compress, no? So isipin niyo, ma'am, meron akong mga wino-work with ngayon, pero nasa ila-ilaliman. Patay na yung mga upline. When I say patay, hindi na siya active or hindi na siya USANA, no? Or talagang wala na, canceled na. Hindi natin yan mako-compress. Okay? So ang generation is dependent on the sponsorship. Okay, the blood upline sponsors. Okay, so yung bloodline. Hindi rin siya about yung mga placement, okay? Kasi hindi nga tayo nagko-compress, no? So kahit na nasa kailaliman mo yan ng generation mo, kapag ikaw ang direct sponsor or direct sponsor siya ng direct sponsor mo, kasama pa rin yan sa generation mo. Okay? Just remember, again, no, your first generation is your personally sponsored brand partner. Second generation, direct ng first gen mo, and yung third generation is direct ng second gen mo. Okay? So, I hope clear to, and here at Yusana, ayan, no? Tama-tama, Apps Ed Miguel, the founder of All Generation, 'di ba? Very important, no? Na nakabuild ka ng solid kasi kahit na um matagal, no? Matagal ka na sa'yo sana, if your first or second generation are still working with you, no? Hindi ka pa rin or you still get to reap the benefits, no? 'Di ba? That you are entitled, no? With the generations. Yan. Tsaka sa totoong buhay, 'di ba, kung ikaw ay may tinutulungan, 'di naman masama 'yan, eh, 'di ba, tumulong sa mga nasa ilalim mo. But think again, 'no, sino man na ba dapat yung tumutulong dun sa pinakaila-ilaliman, 'no, or even mga crossline, hindi naman masama magtanong, 'no, but it's always the sponsor line, 'no, yung kailangan nating, balikan, 'no, in terms of, mga guidance, 'di ba? And working with our Usana business kasi yun naman talaga yung tutulong, no, sa atin, no, yung ating linya. Ayan. So may mga pagpapagalit sa chat box. Okay. Ayan. So now that you understood your generations, yan. Again, no, yung tinuturo natin dito sa Isana, it's okay for you to open your and to determine a lot of business center, your line, no? But kung hindi ka nakaka-max out, then you won't be able to reap, no, the benefits of a leadership bonus. So, in the future, no, makikita nyo sa inyong mga hub yung generation view. Again, this is free, no, for the first year. Wala kayong babayaran. All you need to do is to sponsor para may makita kayong generation. No? Kasi kung wala kayong mga direct sponsor, wala 'tong makikita dito sa generational view nyo. Okay? So, yan yung ating mga tools, and to know more about how to earn the leadership bonus, bakit ba natin talagang sobrang binibigyan ng emphasis yung pagbi-build ng solid? Bakit ba sinasabi natin yung pag sponsor ay very important, and pagde-determine ng mga leaders under your organization? Because here, no, dito natin mare-retain yung ating mga downline. Dito rin tayo makaka-duplicate, 'di ba? Because we are going to earn, you are going to earn 3% of global sales, no? So ibig sabihin, ang leadership bonus, may pool 'yan, no, ng Usana every week. Kung magkano kinikita ng Usana, 3% nakalaan 'yan sa leadership bonus. And those who are qualified are the only ones eligible to earn, no? So right now, imagine if you are a Go Director and above, 'di ba, that you are probably ngayon nag-earn ka ng leadership bonus. But when we change the mechanics, no, when we enhance the mechanics, definitely lalaki yung pool kasi we would be uh, not supporting, okay? Hindi naman sa tatanggalin natin sa kanila yung chance, no? But we will not support anymore dun sa mga hindi naman masyadong um, active, okay? Or hindi na siya gumagawa ng talagang sponsoring, no? Hindi na nagbi-build. So, we would want to reward more people who are really, who have built their organization solid at talagang nagta-touch base pa dun sa kanilang mga generations or kanilang sponsor. So, how it works, no? Mamaya si Miss Windy will explain further, but tandaan ninyo yung dalawang components ng leadership bonus and even the elite bonus. So number one is the retention. So when we say retention, eto yung mga direct sponsor mo. Okay? So kahit na um, gaano kadami yan, okay? Kung hindi yan nag-earn ng, ah, ng CVP or hindi yan nagko-komisyon ng base commission, it doesn't matter, no? Hindi ba, mababaliwala siya. So, Ang kailangan natin dito na hinahanap natin ay yung brand partners ninyo na direct sponsor ninyo na nag-earn ng at least 50 CP. Okay, just imagine, no, cumulative pa yan. So, kahit na nag-earn siya ng every week na tigta $10, kapag kainipon mo yan at pumasok yan sa within the past 13 weeks mo, pasok yan sa qualification ng retention. Okay? Maka-count mo yan sa'yo. Okay? And then, another element is the duplication. So, it's not just enough na tayo nagde-direct sponsor. Diba? Kaya nga maganda yung negosyo ng direct selling, ng network marketing is because we leverage on each other. No? So, even if hindi ikaw yung nakapag-sponsor doon sa mga nude gold mo, even new director, new rank advancement directors and up, you can still benefit from them through the leadership bonus. No, counted pa rin siya sa'yo up until your third generation. So if ever you have in your third generation any rank advancement from gold, from director and above, no, that will count towards the duplication requirement of the leadership bonus. And of course, syempre, walang LB kung walang max out business center. So, for the benefit of those silver directors na nandito, no, when you say max out, syempre nag-silver kayo, nag 5,000 left and right yung isang business center. Okay, hindi lang 5,000 left because of the additional points, no, kailangan max out yung iyong business center. Okay? And dati 'no, kailangan may mapaparang advance kayo ng mga, believer and above or sharer. Ngayon etong dalawa na lang 'no, yung tatandaan natin sa leadership bonus, and even a silver director can earn kasi a silver director who is running for gold directorship can earn the leadership bonus kasi may max out siya siyempre ng 2 consecutive weeks. Okay. So, to explain further, I'll pass the time to Ate Windy.
Hello, good evening everyone. Ayan, wag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. Papakita namin tong leadership bonus na to. Sa tingin nyo lang, kung iisipin nyo, before sharer, isang sharer, ngayon, this table, tandaan lang natin, ito yung fix na. Okay, ito yung lagi nating tatandaan. Bibilangin ng system, yung sa sinabi ni Joyce, okay, sa ano yung retention, so director, personal sponsor mo na director na earning at least $50 for the past 13 weeks, okay? So yun yung una. Number 2 is a duplication, yun naman yung nag-rank advance within your 3 generation na nag-earn din ng $50 for the past 13 weeks, okay? Ang ating system every week, okay? Every week will check ilan ang pasok sa retention and ilan ang pasok sa duplication. As you can see, in this table, ang minimum natin sa unang element na retention, at least 3. Okay? We need 3 direct sponsor, directors and above, okay, na kumikita. The second one is 4. So, ang tawag dyan, ito yung sinasabi natin, this table is fixed already, so leadership level 1. Yun yung nasa third column. And the max BC multiplier, this is the multiplier, is 1. Okay? So, habang dumadami ang ating mga pumapasok na associates, yung pasok dito sa ating retention and duplication, tumataas ang ating leadership level and tumataas ang ating busy multiplier. Okay? So, example, next. Okay. So, ang variable dito, kung ilan, ang tatanungin na lang natin, ilan ba ang ating max BC? Di ba sabi nga ni Joyce, it's very important, bago natin makabisaduhin to, okay, mag-max out muna tayo. Okay? Mag-max out kasi kahit
Tama.
anong kabisado natin dito, tapos wala naman tayong max out, wala. Kailangan dito solid.
Parang nag-hang siya.
Na-excite si Ate
Ako ba yung nag-hang? Akala ko siya.
Naputol ang internet.
Oh, pero 'di ba, totoo naman eh, kailangan solid, no? So, maganda 'yan. Example, kung ikaw ay diamond director, solid, no? Marami tayong kilalang ganyan. no, umaga pa lang ng Monday, meron ka ng Max Out Business Center. Imagine mo na lang kung may 4 kang Max Out BC. So, um, for example, nandito ka sa 15, no? Meron kang 15 na directors and above direct sponsor mo na nag-earn ng $50. Okay? So, by the way, no, kung ano yung pinakamababa, example, sa retention or sa duplication may 10 ka. Kahit na mataas yung retention mo, dun ka pa rin sa 10. No? Dun ka pa rin sa duplication mo kasi mas mababa siya. Dun makikita yung leadership level mo. So, in this example, ang leadership level nitong taong to ay nasa leadership level 3. Okay. So sabi ni Ate Windy, di ba, fix yung ating leadership level. Fix din yung max BC multiplier, no? Ang nag-iiba lang is the number of BCs na nag-max out. Okay, so for this example, may dalawa siyang multiplier. Okay. So, ang max BC multiplier niya is 2 times 4 is equals to 8 shares. So, if dati, no, yung ating leadership bonus, sabi ko nga ngayon, no, lumaki yung pool. Kasi tinanggal na natin yung mga nag-auto-order lang. Tinanggal na natin yung mga nagpapa-believer lang, di ba? Medyo hindi ganun kadali, no? If you are looking for bigger income, syempre kailangan pinaghihirapan tong retention and duplication. So, ngayon, tumaas yung
So,
pool
sorry,
ng
guys.
ating, ayan, Ate Vidi, sinasabi ko na tumaas na yung pool ng ating leadership bonus. Hindi na siya
Sorry,
170. Andiyan ka na? Nakabalik ka na ba?
nandito na
Ayan,
ako.
ituloy mo
As
na.
a
O, ituloy mo na yung pool.
Ayan, ano po, ayan ako sa example, biglang nawala ako, sorry guys, nawala
Okay lang.
internet. Ano ba yan? Baka kayo mag-max out, ako mag-ano muna ako, no, fiber. Joke. So, itong example na to na nakikita natin ngayon, kung ang max BC multiplier mo ay 2, and then your max BC ay 4. Kunwari, ano mo yung business center 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So, ang share sa'yo ay 8 na. Dati, okay, ngayon pala, ngayon. Sa ngayon, ang ating share dollar ay 150, around 150 or 160 per share. Okay? Ngayon, pag na-implement na to sa ating latest simulation, it is 300 to 400. Between 300 to 400. Okay? So, para madali, 8 times 3, Aljon. 8,000 times, 8 shares times 300. Kinalculator pa. Tingnan mo, 2,400. 'Di ba? Ano ba naman yung 2,400? Kahit nga isa yan, iisipin nyo lang, baka akala nyo mahirap siya. Actually, halimbawa, kung si Sir Ed Miguel, 'di ba? Nakita nyo, lagi yan, forever yan, for as long, nandyan, direct yan si Namel, si Nat, so lagi yan may pasok na sa retention. Okay? Ngayon, ang duplication, para umangat yan, si Aljon, kailangan mag-rank advance, 'di ba? Kasi
Yeah.
pasok, para pasok ka, Aljon, sa duplication kasi third generation ka ni Sir Ed Miguel. Kasi kumikita ka naman 'di ba? Sure na yung income Ang kailangan lang mag-duplication. So, ang sinasabi ko lang, sa retention, kahit dating-dati mo pa siya, okay, kahit dating-dati mo pa siya mula nung unang panahon pa, direct sponsor mo na 'to, sina Mel, sina Nat, pasok pa rin sila dito kasi every week naman silang kumikita. Okay? So,
Siguro
ito
Ate
siya.
Vidi, explain muna natin bago tayo dumating dun sa ano, yung, kasi yung iba baka hindi pa nila alam paano yung max BC na bilangan.
Okay.
Yung
Ang
mga
Max
ano,
BC, okay, ito nakita ko nga may tanong kung paano yung halimbawa nagra-run ka ng sa ano tayo nagra-run ng ano ng gold. Kunwari, umpisa silver. Ang pinag-silver niya 1,000. So, nag-max out siya ng BC1, 'di ba? So, automatic, meron na siya. Pasok na siya. Basta pasok siya sa retention, pasok siya sa duplication, sabihin na natin 3 and 4, may leadership level 1 siya, meron na siyang 1 share. Kasi may max BC na siya. Okay? Isa. Okay. The following week, ang sinasabi natin, dapat laging magkasunod siya, di ba? We always refer to the previous week. Why? Kailangan kasi consistent. So, halimbawa, dapat itong Business Center 1 mo na minax out last week, ngayong week, dapat mag-max out ulit tong Business Center 1 ulit para ngayon makakount ulit to. Okay? Lagi siyang meron tayong +1 new. Okay? May exception siya na isa. Anong ibig sabihin? Example, nag-max out kang last week ng Business Center 1. Ngayong week, nag-max out ka ng Business Center 1 and 2. Okay? 1 and 2. So, meron kang 1 na same, okay? And 2, yung isang bago. Get? So, counted yun ng dalawa. Dalawa na yon. Pero, kung halimbawa, ang max out mo last week ay 1, Business Center 1, this week, ang minax out mo ay 2 and 3. Okay. Ang count mo lang doon ay 1. Why? Kasi yun lang yung 1 new. Hindi makakount yung both kasi hindi mo na max out yung same na Business Center 1 last week. Malinaw ba yon? So, 1 last week, Business Center 1, ire-refer nyo, aalalahanin yung last week na Business Center na na-max out nyo para ma-count lahat, okay? Para maka-count nyo yung this week, okay? So, kailangan meron ka rin na yung previous week, same, +1 new. Ibig sabihin, isang bagong Business Center na na-max out, yun yung maka-count. Okay? Malinaw ba yon? Ang example ng hindi ang example ng hindi counted yung kaninang sinabi ko, Business Center 1 ang max out last week. Ngayon Business Center 2 and 3. So wala yung Business Center 1. So ilan ang count doon? Isa lang kasi yun yung 1 new, either 2 and 3, 2 or 3. Okay? Malinaw ba yon? Pwede kayong magsalita. Pwede kayong magtanong para kasi mas madali siyang i-explain pag yung question nyo kapag mag-unmute na lang kayo. Yun ang medyo nakakalito dito kung paano nyo ika-count yung max BC. Bibilangin naman talaga lahat ng max na max out nyo na Business Center pero ika-count yung previous week. Titingnan pa rin yung previous week kung ano yung mga pare-pareho. May question ba? Do you have any question? Ate Windy yan. Sir Ed, mag-unmute ka pag po may question ka.
I-send namin yung recording.
Ate Windy,
Oh,
yung
tayo
example kasi dito, Mother, na brand partners Max BC. So puro kasi 44444 yan pababa eh. So magba-vary yan, di ba? Depende
Opo.
yan sa max out mo. Ayun.
Yes.
So paano ito?
Hindi siya fix.
Yan yung
Example lang
variable.
siya.
Yeah.
Kasi
Example
bigla
lang
ako
yung
natakot
four.
eh. Kala ko, apat na max out pala.
Hindi. Example lang yan. Yan yung variable. Dito sa table na to, ang variable, yung max BC, tsaka yung shares awarded. So, yung max BC, pag halimbawa, isa pa lang yung na-max mo na BC, ibig sabihin, pag nasa level 1 ka, 1 times 1. So, ang share mo, 1. Pero pag 2 ang max BC mo, so 1 times 2. So, 2 ang count mo. 2 times $300 equals $600. So, yun yung matatanggap mong leadership bonus. Okay? So, ito pong 4, example lang yan. Siyempre, doon tayo sa mataas na mga example. Doon sa apat na tayo na max out. Pero kung yan, depende pa rin kung isa lang ang max out, 2, 3, 4, maiiba-iba yan. Imu-multiply doon sa multiplier.
So Silver Director, pag nag-max out, pwedeng kumita.
So, kasi pag na-max out ni Silver Director, isa niyang BC, so 1 times 1, meron na siya agad na 1 share, and then ita-times natin sa $300 na yun yung approximate na amount per share. So, meron na siyang leadership bonus na $300.
Provided na meron siyang retention at meron siyang duplication.
Yes.
Gets mo, Aljo?
Ayan. Okay. Clear na ba? Kung clear na ba? Ay, Clark, yes.
Hello ma'am, thank you so much po for this time. May question po ako, di ba dapat para Hello? Ayan. Ma'am, question po, para mag time is 4, sa BC Multiplier, dapat leadership level 6. Tama po.
Yes.
Tapos, dapat yung first generation na director ko and above, na direct ko, at least 25. Tapos nag-earn dapat sila ng at least $50 for the past 3 months. Tama po?
13 weeks. Yes. Oo, tama.
So, kung ang implementation, tapos 20 na up to third generation.
Yes.
So, kung ang implementation po yun is October 11,
Yes.
so dapat by October 10, na-complete ko na siya, ganun. 25-20 na.
Yes.
Yes.
So dapat
Kaya
ngayon
ngayon pa lang.
Oo, ngayon pa lang ginagawa mo na siya kasi lahat ng mapapa-director mo ngayon and lahat ng mga first generation or third yung sa retention, kaka-counted na yon kasi babalikan natin yung past 13 weeks, 'di ba? So kahit
Opo,
meron kang sa third generation, kahit meron kang nag-rank advance last year, kunwari nung December, maka-count yon provided nag-earn siya nitong August, September, October. Okay? So yung mga nag-rank advance mo nung past 52 weeks, starting October 11, bibilang 52 weeks. Nag-rank advance siya. So more or less nasa ano yan, November, kunwari, meron kang nag-rank advance ng November. Okay? Maka-count yung tao na yon. Pero dapat nag-earn siya ng at least $50 ngayong August, September, October. Okay?
Opo.
Yan.
Adi parang, Ma'am Kadugtong, sorry, Ups Ed Miguel, dalawang question po. So, parang kadugtong siya nga rin nung sa Tokyo. Kasi kapag nakapagpa-director ako ng dalawang director ko, at na-direct ko, at saka dalawa na up to third gen, pwede na ako doon sa Tokyo.
Yes.
Kaya natin yung ginawa, Clark, kasi
Yun.
para doon.
Para
Para
doon.
umpisahan nyo na yung didirect at pag-rank advance.
Kaya siya ginawa para ready na kayo sa leadership bonus na implementation.
Para konti na lang, at least.
Yes.
Na-payout ka na kaagad kasi nagma-max busy ka naman, di ba?
Opo. Ano lang yan? First 20 lang ba talaga yun?
Tignan natin. Kasi ngayon,
tignan
pa lang
natin.
kita nanalo eh. 8 weeks to go.
Okay. 8 weeks.
Yes.
Last question, ma'am. Kasi di ba yung dati, nung nag-discuss tayo sa office ni Ma'am Cherry niyan, may na-generate siyang PDF file. So yung sa ko doon, yung sa retention ba yan? Sa duplication ko, hindi doon nag-a-appear lahat pala. So, ang question ko po, last question ko, bago si Ed Miguel, kailan po magla-live yung widget sa hub na para sa leadership bonus? Thank you.
Actually, nire-review na lang namin yan. Yang na yan, yang report. Pero sa ngayon, pwede kayong mag-request. Pwede kayong bigyan ni Joyce at Ma'am Cherry kung kasi hindi naman yan masyadong malaki yung difference, pero pwede kayo, halimbawa ngayon gusto nyong humingi, bibigyan ulit kayo muna ng PDF file. Para
October 11.
Kung hindi kompleto doon, ima-manual ko na lang sa custom query, Tama ba?
Yes.
Okay, yun lang po. Thank you so much. Thank you, Apps Ed Miguel.
Actually, ayoko na mag-isip katulad na mag-isip si Clark. Yun lang naman tatanong ko yung widget. Kung merong ganon, so at least hindi ka na magbibilang.
Ama.
Diba? So, okay lang kahit pidget muna, wala pang widget. PDF.
PDF muna.
Kakaroon po yan, Sir Ed. Ang promise is when we launch it in October 11, live na siya. Pero malay mo mapaaga kasi inaano na lang po. Medyo may mga finifix lang na mga reports pero ni-review na namin.
Yan. So makikita nyo dyan yung mga ilan yung nag-check siya, ilang weeks na yung nakalipas. So pag makikita mo dito, ay pang 12 weeks na. So dapat madagdagan mo yan nang magpapacheck ka ulit. Or ma-make sure na umi-income yung downline na na nasa direct sponsor mo. Yan.
Weekly kasi yung count niyan eh, 'di ba? Every week maiiba-iba. posibleng maiba-iba yung level mo
Ay,
weekly.
Clark, nangiingit.
Okay. Next, what you need to know, of course, tuloy na natin if you don't have any question regarding do sa table. Okay, let's continue. So, of course, dapat commission qualified. Definitely. Okay, wag kakalimutan ng ating subscribe and save. The second one, you must be a silver director or above. Okay, so ito yung bago dito, yung silver, hindi na siya yung rank ng at least gold and above, wala na siyang limit na pag gold ka, max of 2, may mga ganun, di ba? For as long as kung saan ka, kasi meron tayong mga leaders talaga na malakas sa retention, di ba? Meron siyang malakas sa the duplication, halimbawa gold pa lang siya, so pwede siyang tumaas yung multiplier niya. So, wala na siya yung limit na pag group B, ganito lang yung maximum na share na pwede mong ma-earn. So, this one, pwede na, okay? So, your bonus will always be calculated on one max business center. So, at least, ito nga yung sinasabi natin, at least one business center ang max out. Any additional business center must have been maxed for at least 2 consecutive weeks to be included. Okay? So, katulad nung paano natin kinakount yung ating leadership bonus ngayon, magre-refer tayo sa ating previous week. Okay? And then, the last one, leadership bonus vesting is no longer applied. So, ngayon kasi meron tayong vested. So, ngayon, mawawala na siya. Okay? Yan, sina Clark, vested. Okay. So, wala na siya. That's it. So, do you have any questions sa ating leadership bonus?
At saka guys yung $350 to $400, pwede pa yan tumaas pag lalo pang tumaas yung sales ng Usana. So, wag tayong malimit, no, dun sa, ay, naku, 300, kung magpayat pa sa'yo yun, di ba? Tataas pa yan. So, make sure nakasama ka dun sa mga kukuha sa pool na yan.
Hindi tayo yung tipong ipapanalangin mong konti lang yung qualifier para lumaki yung share mo. Doon tayo sa
Patataasin
mataas
natin.
ang pool. Doon tayo sa mas mataas na sales, mas mataas ang pool na paghahati-hatian. Kahit dumami pa yung qualifier, mataas pa din. Okay. Sa ngayon kasi,
Yes, Clark.
konti pa. Okay. Yes, Clark.
Ayan. Ma'am, so halimbawa, dalawa yung max out ko. Tapos times 4. Eh di, parang ang lalabas niyan, tapos 350 per share, di ba? Parang yun yung parang estimate. Tama po ba?
Nandun. Nasa 300, between 300 to 400.
Di, gitna, 350. So 350 times 4, 2 muna. 2 max out times 4 times 350 times 56 ba tayo, ma'am? Ilan ba tayong per dollar?
55.
55.
So mga around nasa 150,000, no? Tama ba, ma'am?
Kung nasa leadership level 6. Yung
yung
sinasabi ni
times
Clark
4.
guys, leadership level 6 at
Kasi
2
yung
max
target
out
ni-
BC.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Salamat.
And
Grabe na,
based
150,000.
sa statistics, no, yung mga nakaka-earn ng at least leadership level 4 ay dapat nagdi-direct sponsor yan ng mga nasa 30 to 35 na brand partners every year. Okay? And dito sa Pilipinas, meron tayong nakakagawa nun. So, huwag niyong isipin na, ay, imposible naman yan, no? In fact, yung mga solid nating leaders talaga, in the past, no, ganyang kadami mag-sponsor. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
So kasi lalo na ngayon, ma-empower sila dahil meron tayong new sales bonus, meron kang milestone bonus, and tama yung pagiging pay setter mo. So wag mo isipin na imposible 'yan. Meron pa, Clark?
Yeah.
Sorry, last na. Halimbawa, na-enroll ko siya 2014. Tapos this year lang siya halimbawa, sa October 9 siya nag-director. Pasok siya. So pwedeng ipa-activein yung mga, may
Yes.
Yung mga dati, oo. Clark, i-remember lang, pag October 11, pag ang cut-off mo ngayon, okay, halimbawa October 11, dapat napadirector mo na siya previous commission week, Hindi ngayon.
Hindi sa
Okay?
mismong October 11.
Hindi sa mismong October 11 cut-off. kapag may niraran ka ngayong week na to, okay, halimbawa October 10 yon, October 10, ang count nun, dapat ang director, last week, nag-director na siya.
Commission.
October 3, ganun, ma'am.
Yun, okay?
Yes.
So
Thank
kasi,
you.
bago mag-umpisa ang week, ngayon, bago mag-umpisa ang commission week, na-determine mo na kung ano yung multiplier mo. Kasi nandun ka na. Kailangan na-determine na before the commission week, na-determine na yung last week mo na leadership level, ang pagtatalunan na lang natin ngayon, ilan ang max PC mo. Okay? Clear? So,
Okay
wag
na.
kayong maano sa level 1 lang ha, yung 3, 4, kasi marami talaga yan. Posible siya. Kaya nga siya na-compute ng ganyan kasi maraming nakikita na dyan
Pwedeng
sa-
October 10, level 6 ka kaagad, ganun, o level 1 muna, that's 2 the following, 3.
Hindi. Pwede kang 6 agad.
Okay.
Kung kaya
Basta na-complete mo yung 25 tsaka 20.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oo. Kaya ngayon pa lang, Clark, Dayan, ha, i-ano nyo na to, nakikita ko si Dayan. So, kung nandun tayo sa level 6, kailangan ayusin na natin ngayon. Kasi 13 weeks counted yon, okay?
Opo.
And
Thank you.
ito
Parang
pa
yun
yung,
ng leadership
yung
bonus.
important to note pa, kapag ang director, kapag personal sponsor nyo, yung naparank advance mo, okay? Nag-director, personal sponsor, dalawang count niyan. Maka-count siya sa retention, maka-count siya sa duplication. Kaya nga to, mas maganda kung mas marami kang yung personal
Correct.
sponsor mo. Kasi naparang advance mo, so dalawa yung maka-count sa kanya. Sa dalawang column siya, sa dalawa siya category siya maka-count. Kasi sa first generation na director, tapos sa within 3 generation na nag-rank advance, counted pa siya doon. Okay? So, posible na itong lahat ng associates sa retention, under the retention, ay counted siya same sa duplication. Kung sila lahat ay personal sponsor mo na napa-director mo ngayon, okay? Maka-count siya sa both. Counted siya sa both retention and duplication.
So,
Okay?
di ba kaya yung Tokyo, Japan natin, no? So, para sa kaalaman ng lahat, no, we have the lead and grow. So, lahat ng mga nakapag-LS na before, so gold directors and above na nakapag-LS na, kapag ikaw ay nakapag-dalawang director na 3 gen, new director and above, and 2 new director na direct sponsor, pasok ka 3-for-1, okay? So, kaya kapag ka naka-apat na direct sponsor ka, na nag-director and above, pasok ka na rin. Yun yung sinasabi ni Ate Winnie na mas ganansya ka kapag ka direct sponsor mo kasi counted yun sa retention, counted din yun sa duplication. Okay?
Ayan. Nakita ko din nandito sa call si Ranel Blanco. Ranel, level 6. Ano na
Yan.
siya sa
Yan yung
mga
mga
level,
potential na level 6.
Okay? So, if you don't have, wala na tayong tanong sa ating leadership bonus, let's proceed with another malalaki ding bonus sa
Ay,
ating
grabe
lead,
to.
ang ating elite bonus. Okay? Elite bonus. Okay. Sino bang mga naka-experience na dito ng mga elite bonus ngayon? Ito, mahina lang naman siguro yung mga
Parang 5 pa lang yata.
200,000 and above, no? Pag nga equally divided to, mga more than 1 million eh. So, elite bonus, ano ba tong elite bonus na to? Para siyang dividend, profit sharing, okay? So, kung ang leadership bonus, ang pool ay yung 3%, ito yung 0.5% nung global sales points, okay? Yun yung paghahatian every quarter to. So, every quarter, pwede ka na pumasok dito. Every quarter, hahanapin natin yung 20 qualifiers, okay, sa ating region. So, ibig sabihin, hindi region na Asia, including kasama na yung mga US, Canada, okay. Ang hindi lang natin kasama ngayon is the China and India. Okay, so total natin ng global sales points niyan, yung 0.5% nun, yun yung paghahati-hatian ng ating at 20 qualifiers. Okay, so same ang ating qualification dyan. Okay, next. Titingnan pa rin natin Yung kanina, magkadugtong to eh. Magkadugtong to yung leadership at saka elite. So, titingnan pa rin natin yung retention and duplication. Okay? So, ano ang ibig sabihin? Kailangan, kung nagra-run ako ng elite bonus, at least meron akong gold director or above, and above, gold director and above, sa iyong first generation, ibig sabihin, direct sponsor. Okay? Direct sponsor ko na may at least 13,000 commission points. Okay? So, pasok na dyan. Check na dyan si Sir Ed Miguel. Meron na siya dyan. Kasi forever meron dyan si Sir Natsunyo. Si Natsunyo, no? Direct mo, Sir Ed. So, pasok na siya dyan. Lagi na siyang mache-check dyan sa una nating requirement. Okay? The second requirement is kailangan nag-rank advance, meron within the 3 generation ulit, okay? May nag-rank advance na gold director and above nung past 52 weeks, okay? So kung meron nag-rank advance last year, November, so pwede pa siyang makount hanggang ngayon, okay? Kakount siya, okay? So dapat nag-rank advance siya at least gold and above, okay? Sa 3 generation. Okay, the third one, minimum 5% of your total group sales ay galing sa Pilipinas. So, imposible, sa atin naman, hindi naman to bihira, parang sa atin hindi naman to nangyayari. So, ibig lang sabihin nito, pag ikaw ay kunwari Sir Ed Miguel, dapat yung mostly, ang volume mo ay nanggagaling sa Pilipinas at hindi siya sa ibang bansa. Okay? Okay, so yun. That's it. That's the three requirements and qualification for the elite bonus. Next. Ano ba to? Ano ba tong kung paano ba siya? Paano ba to kinukuha? Every quarter, titingnan natin lahat ng rank, top 20. Irarank natin lahat ng associate, irarank natin based sa income. Okay? So, based sa income, kung halimbawa, number 40 ka, huwag kang mawawala ng pag-asa. Why? Kasi doon sa mga yon pwede pang may ma-evict, may matanggal. Kasi bakit? Kung hindi sila pasok doon sa retention and sa duplication. Okay? At saka doon sa isa, doon sa 5%. So, matatanggal siya. So, posible na yung number 30, aakyat pa yan. Papasok pa yan ng 20 kung meron dyang 10 na hindi pumasok. At posibleng mangyari yon, di ba? So, halimbawa, kaya yan, kahit nandun ka, huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa, okay? Nasasabihin nyo, ay, yung mga top 20 income lang naman eh, yung mga makikita dyan. So, hindi siya ganon, okay? So, ang pag-compute dyan, 1/3 of the share are issued on current income, 2/3 ay issued based sa average quarterly growth. Tinitingnan na rin natin dyan ang income, paano ba siya? Pag halimbawa, i-explain ko siya. Sa 20, halimbawa sa top 20, okay, doon sa lahat ng pumasok, titingnan dyan alam niyo yung computation sa math ng ipoprorata siya. So, ilan yung percentage mo doon sa, ano ba, top 20, ang total niyan, kunwari, lahat ng income niyan, kunwari, 100,000. So, ang income mo ay 2,000. 2,000 over 100,000, yun yung ratio mo. So, ibe-base doon. Okay? So, meron ka ng percentage doon. And then, dun sa quarterly growth. So, dun sa growth mo naman, ire-ratio din siya. Kung sino yung may pinakamataas na growth, so yun yung merong malaking percentage. I-add yung dalawa, yun yung magiging elite bonus share mo. So, posible na kapag halimbawa, nasa top ka, mataas yung income mo, pero wala kang growth, okay? Halimbawa, nag-negative ka, so pasok ka pa rin, pero mas maliit yung share mo. So, halimbawa, yung number 20, it's very possible na yung number 20, mas malaki yung posible niyang kitain do sa number 15. Why? Kasi, kung halimbawa si number 20, mas mataas yung growth niya. Okay? Kasi mataas yung percentage ng growth eh. Kasi pag halimbawa, yung medyo medyo complicated kung paano siya i-compute. Pero, ang sinasabi ko lang, Yung dito, yung share ng income and share ng growth, pagsasamahin siya para ma-determine mo yung total share mo sa elite bonus. So, hindi siya equally divided, okay? Hindi siya equally divided. Mas mataas pa rin ang count kapag nag-grow. Okay? So, next slide. Ayan. So sa ngayon, during the transition, ngayon kasi 1%. So ngayon, okay, quarter 2025, 1% pa rin yan. Hindi siya agad, ba kanina sinabi ko 0.5. So hindi siya bigla ang gagawing 0.5. Yung 1% gagawin 0.75, 0.75, and then yung quarter 3 ng 2026, dun siya i-implement yung 0.5. Ibig sabihin, ngayon, mas malaki pa rin yung pool, okay? Malaki pa rin yung pool na paghahati-hatian. Kaya ngayon, if you want to earn, okay, ano yan guys, yung elite bonus, malaki siya talaga. Hindi mo siya, parang bonus na bonus siya talaga, 1 million, mga ganon, million siya. So, kailangan ito din yung i-goal natin. Bakit siya magkadugtong? Magkadugtong siya ng LBY. Kasi sa total income, okay, ang laki ng tulong kapag may leadership bonus ka. Kasi hindi lang to CVP yung kinakount sa elite bonus. Yung yung sinasabi natin kirarank yung income, total income siya. Lahat-lahat including the leadership bonus. Ang laki ng contribution ng leadership bonus. Tanong nyo kay Ranel, tanong nyo kay Nabili Kinanat, malaki ang contribution ng leadership bonus para umangat ka ng rank sa elite bonus. So, kailangan pataasin ng pataasin yung mga leadership level na yan. Okay? So, that's it for the elite bonus. Do you have any question sa ating elite bonus? Nawala na sila
Okay.
lahat, tumahimik. Guys, huwag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. Someday,
Naging 69 na lang.
makukuha nyo to. Makukuha nyo tong mga
Yeah.
isa-isa lang. One at a time. I-hit nyo natin lahat ng mga una, yung mga nasa new sales bonus na yan. And then yung LB. Napaka-importante ng LB. Kaya talagang balikan nyo kung paano kayo nagbi-build. Balikan nyo kung paano kayo nagbi-build ng inyong organization. Napaka-importante na solid siya. As in, laging nagma-max out. Yung 1,000 CVP mo, mas lalaki pa yan kung paano mo siya i-build ay yung solid na 5,000, 5,000 bago mo siya iwan, okay? Okay lang naman nakalat, pero mas malaki yung potential ng leadership bonus kapag ang pagbi-build mo, yung kung paano natin binibuild dati, yung ano muna, ito, one left,
Outer
right,
legs.
bago, yung mga outer, bago nyo iwan, yun lang, bago nyo iwan, itong mga left and right nyo, bago kayo pumunta sa inner, i-ano muna natin to, i-solidify. Okay?
Yan. May question pa ba dun sa mechanics ng LB, elite bonus, bago tayo mag-move on sa mga announcement? Okay. So, kung wala na, isa-send lang namin tong recording dun sa mga Go Director and above. And this is not yet the final rollout, no? If you have team meetings ng mga Gold and above, invite nyo kami. And then also, kung pupunta tayo sa mga areas, no, like in Vismin, as North and South Luzon, no, pwede natin itong i-roll out sa mga leaders ninyo, no, to see the bigger picture or the potential. So, etong in conclusion, no, summary dun sa lahat ng mga na-discuss natin from the start of our webinar series, Share, Grow, and Lead. Lahat ng yan, no, it will lead you to building your solid organization. No? You can now predict, no, na magkano yung kikitain ng bago mong downline. And that will empower you to say, to make sure that your new brand partner will say yes to you. No, for consistency and longevity, no, hindi na lang tayo basta for the points, for the content, no, of your points, no, pero para din yan sa mapapamana mo talaga yan sa mga anak natin, sa mga anak ninyo. Okay, na hindi na lang siya active income, no? Pag wala kang nabentahan today, wala kang income, no? So hindi na ganoon ang labanan. Talagang kailangan bago mo iwanan yung business center mo, solid yan. And ultimately, sales will follow kung nare-retain natin yung mga tao given the right system. Okay, so yung sinasabi nating system is yung duplication. 'Di ba? Yung magjo-join ka, experience mo yung products at i-share mo, and at the same time, meron kang activities for lead generation. So yun yung mga 20% skills na even a non-network marketer can join you sana. But what sets us apart is the mindset, no? Yun, dun kayo magaling. No, that make sure that your new brand partner repeats its process, no? Kaya 80% mindset, 20% skills ang negosyo natin leads to 100% success. So kung mapapansin niyo, wala naman tayong pinagkakaiba, no, sa mga week 1 to 4, week 5 to 8, week 9 to 13. But with the new compensation plan, ang pinagkaiba is the longer that you are with Usana, the more that you subscribe into the system at ma-duplicate mo yung 4 brand partners lang at any given point in time with 200 SP every month, you can earn up until 1,080 US dollars up to your third or your ninth week. Okay? So, meron kang potential income na 2,000 and marirecognize ka pa. So, think about it. This is really the best time for you to make sure that your Sana business will work for you. 'Di ba? Kasi lalo na ngayon, maganda na yung ating compensation plan. And not only that, 'di ba? Meron pa tayong mga packs to help us support our system, no? Siyempre, 15 years, ginagamit mo yung 300 points, 500 points. It's really very hard for some of us to adapt to the new system, no? But if you start today, but with just sharing 200 packs, again, you will make sure na hindi yan matatabunan ng products, no? Talagang iinumin niya, and yung focus, 'di ba, is only to the few products that we have. No, so pagka-start niya sa negosyo, hindi na niya muna kailangan intindihin yung mga ano ba yung active line, ano ba yung Celaviv, no? Ang dami-dami, Copa Prime, digestive enzyme. All you need to do is to focus on the top selling products and the most efficacious products, no, for you to be able to duplicate yourself. No, so we start with the energy kit, and coming soon, no, na launch na natin, no, na paano kayo makakabili ng Celaviv Glow and Lift Kit. So that's going to be on August 25 and 26, no? Available na siya. And you are going to be part of our Celaviv Radiance Reimagined launch party, no, on August 30. Now, eto yung tatlong lalabas, no, na ating mga top selling and hero product, no, ng Celaviv na talagang more product and more potent in formulation na even in overnight, meron kang mararamdaman na results. No? This is again our strategy. We're not just introducing a new product, but we are making sure that we get new brand partners with these new products. So, ang mga brand partner, dalawa lang naman yan. It's either you are a consumer or you are a builder. No? So, for those of you who are really into having loyal customers, no, you make sure that if you share the packs, di ba, yun yung may repeat purchase ka kasi they're efficacious, no? Mararamdaman nila. And if you are a builder, no, mas marami kang mapapa-oo na pay-in, and which makes you earn easier and faster. Okay? So, yan yung ating mga promotions, no, na nagra-run ngayon, yung ating global requalification. Again, everybody started last July 8. Lahat ng mga walang title, lahat ng mga gusto mag-upgrade ng title nila, you are entitled for a global requalification. So, make sure that magawa mo yung bagong mechanics, no, ng ating pay setter. And up until October 11, mag-qualify ka as a pay setter, no, makukuha mo yung finalize or magiging kang pay setter na. Okay? And then lahat ng mga na-enroll mo during that time will also make sure na doble yung iyong matching bonus from them once they finalize as well. So, hindi lang ikaw, no, yung mag-upgrade ng title mo if you are requalifying, but if you have new brand partners na mag-pay setter, you are also going to earn double match from them. Okay? Hindi ka na, as a sponsor ng mga nagre-requal, hindi ka na makaka-earn ng matching bonus from them na doble. But doon sa mga future mong i-enroll, like from the July 8 to October 11, no? If you are a pay setter and you have a finalized or you have a pay setter under your organization na bago, no? From July 8 to October 11, doble yung matching bonus mo for 1 year. Okay, up until July 10, 2026. At syempre, kung ang mga bago mong brand partner, meron niyang 150 milestone bonus, ikaw din, no? As a pay setter creator, do not miss this, no? Grabe, ikaw na nga yung nag-pay setter. Ibig sabihin, magma-matching bonus ka na dyan. Umearn ka pa ng commission, no? At mag-earn ka pa, 'di ba, ng 150 bonus only. So kung ikaw meron kang 4 ngayon, no, na ginugroom na maging pay setter, at the end of the qualification period, you have the opportunity to earn $600. Grabe, namimigay ng bonus ang USANA ngayon dahil Pasko. 'Di ba? Pa-bare months na after August, no? So make sure do not miss this 150 bonus for every pay setter that you create in your organization, no? And you are part of the Creator Club. Okay, so again, no, enroll as many brand partners as possible within the 13-week period. Help them achieve their pay setter status in their first 13 weeks and each earns 150 CP. Okay. At hindi lang yan. Umincome ka na, dumami na yung following mo, at mare-recognize ka pa. No? So we are the only region, no, na magkakaroon ng dalawang recognition dahil ina-anticipate natin babaha ng recognition, no, as early as being milestone bonus earner, yung mga nag-$50, diba, sa milestone bonus, yung mga nagpa-pay setter, grabe, no, nagpa-pay setter ka na, nag-earn ka ng 150, ililibre ka pa ng USANA sa recognition night, no, and this is not just one time. This is going to be a quarterly event. So you are guaranteed na may support ang corporate, no, doon sa mga i-recognize natin na mga new brand partners sa kanilang early wins. Okay? So sa Manila, ang ating event will be on September 27 dito sa Century City Mall malapit sa Makati, no, Avenue. So Stratosphere Events, please. Libre po ito, no? Wala tayong bayad sa mga ticket pero ang ating attendees lang ay mga awardee. Okay, and same with the Cebu party, no, for the Visayas and Mindanao brand partners. So dito naman kayo sa Spark, no, same yung ating team, no, party ito. Again, this is going to be on September 20. Mauuna sila, no, and meron tayong special guest, walang iba kundi si Lucas Lim and Jane Low, no, dito lang sa Cebu. So talagang dito naman siya bibisita, so make sure makapag-qualify kayo. So kahit na marami kayong pambili ng ticket, kung hindi kayo qualified, then hindi kayo kasali sa mga Elevating You recognition. And again, no, this is free for all qualifiers. So yun lamang po, no, ang aming mga paalala, and of course, hindi lang ito nagtatapos dito, no. We will see you in the global convention. Dun sa mga hindi pa bumibili ng regional convention ticket, bumili na kayo in all our Celaviv events dahil this is our time to grow, no? Elevating you, elevating our success here at USANA Philippines. So maraming salamat po, everyone. God bless. Take care.
Thank
Bye,
you,
guys.
everyone. Bye.
Salamat
Bye-bye.
po.